Hey, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe. From so many days you are enjoying only just playing, yes? Now it is study time. You know me? Yes, I am your English teacher, Aslashmi ma'am. Now we are going to learn 4th class English. Yes, now you are all in which class children? You are in 4th class. You have finished your 3rd class and you entered into your 4th class, yes? Now we are going to learn the 4th class lesson. Now first everyone open your textbooks children. See here, this is your first lesson, page number 1. What is the lesson name children here? Animals are friends. Animals are friends. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. A-R-E-R-F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Yes, friends. Animals are friends. What it means? Animals. Animals means what? Dog, cat. Yes, they are the animals. They are friends. The meaning is animals are friends. Here the first part is what? See here in your textbook. Listen and say aloud. Means what? You should listen and say aloud. Understood children? Now I will repeat the words. You should repeat after me. Pronounce it properly. How I am pronouncing? See? Listen it and clearly pronounce it. Understood children? Fracture. What it is? Fracture. F-R-A-C-T-U-R-E-D. Fracture. Second one. Mistreated. M-I-S. Miss. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. E-D-A. Mistreated. Mistreated. Repeat after me. Platform. Platform. P-L-A-T. Plat. F-O-R-M. Form. Platform. Shelter. What is the spelling here? S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Organization. G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N. Organization. Organization. Next one, rescue. Rescue. R-E-S-C-U-E. Rescue. Environment. E-N-V-I-N-V-R-O-N. M-E-N-T. Ment. Environment. Once again, environment. Listen carefully and say aloud children. Fractured. Mistreated. Platform. Shelter. Organization. Rescue. Environment. See in your book it is there. Everything. See here I am giving you the classwork also. You should put the heading of the lesson number 1. Animals are friends. And you should write listen and say loud words in the classwork. You should carefully pronounce it and write without any mistakes. Understood children? Now I want you to ask some questions. Are you ready to tell the question? Answer the question children? Yes? We are ready? Now then I will ask you questions. See here. What you do if you saw a hungry dog in the street? What you will do? What you will do? A dog is hungry means you are seeing a dog in the street hungry. What you will do? Yes, you will keep some food to it. Yes, you will give the water to drink. Cat is there means you will pour some milk in the bowl and you will keep for to drink. Yes, like that only. Here by seeing and how you will protect it. Do you think they need the protection and care? Street dogs or all the animals. You think once how we are having our house. Yes, we are living in one house. We are having the food. We are having the dress. Everything. Yes. What about the animals? Where they are living? So many street dogs we will see. Yes. You think that they need the shelter? They need the care for them? Yes, I think that they need the shelter. They should have one house to stay. Yes, they should need the food also. They are like us only. They are like us only, living beings only, no? But they are animals. They can't talk. They can't ask anything. But we can ask. But animals also should have the shelter and we should take care of the animals. Understood, children? From now onwards, everyone will take care of animals, no? Yes? Now here we will see the lesson about one girl, Nina. What she has done, how she has inspired and how she has taken the care of animals. Okay, now open the page number 2, children. Open the page number 2. Open your page number 2, children. Reading the text. Reading the text. See, I will read the lesson and I will explain you. Listen carefully and understand it. Understood, children? One Sunday morning, Nina opened a weekly magazine to find articles on animals. Here, one Sunday morning, what Nina did? Nina opened a weekly magazine. Weekly magazine means, you know, children? A book. The weekly newspaper will be there, no? Everyday newspaper will come. Weekly once, one magazine will be coming. Means one book will be coming, Sunday book. Yes, she has opened that book and she was finding articles. Articles means what? What about the something they have given the, you can see the advertisement how they will be giving, like that. The articles also will be there. Articles means you can tell us something about a new or main news. Yes, the main news they will be giving like they will be putting like this in the box and they will be giving the main news or interesting news. They will be doing that. That is called as an articles. Okay, she was finding about articles on animals. Here, Nina loved animals. She felt sad when she read or heard about an animal being mistreated. Here what? Nina loved animals. Nina loves animals. I think you also love animals. Yes, children? Yes. She felt sad when she read or heard. She was feeling very bad. She will be sad when she hears or she will be reading about any animal is mistreated. Mistreated means someone is someone is beating that animal or they are irritating that animal. Yes, like that anything she hears or listens, hears or reads means she will be feeling very sad. But today was different. The magazine was filled with beautiful stories about people who helped and protected animals. She quickly began reading the first article. Today was very different. The Sunday magazine was very different. The magazine was filled with beautiful stories about the people who helped the animals, and she quickly opened the book, she opened the magazine and she started to read the articles. What is the first article? See here, children, you can see in your book. The rescue of Sita, the wild elephant. The rescue of Sita, the wild elephant. This is the first article she started to read. What is the rescue of Sita means? Someone rescued. Rescued means what? Protected. You can tell us. They saved. They saved Sita. Sita is the name of a wild elephant. Sita is the name of a wild elephant. See here. A wild elephant in Karnataka named Sita had fallen into a ditch and fractured his legs. Here, wild elephant in which area? Karnataka. You know the Karnataka state, yes? It was the name of the elephant is Sita. Had fallen into a ditch. What is ditch, children? Ditch, a long narrow hole. A long narrow hole. You know, in the forest areas or in the fields, they will be digging the hole, big hole to catch animals. Yes, like that hole, that is called as a ditch, a long narrow hole. What happened? The Siddha fell into it. Siddha fell into it. For over 40 days he could not walk. Over 40 days he could not walk. Why he could not walk? I said it fell into a ditch and it has fractured legs. Fractured leg means, you know, the leg has broken. Yes, the bone will be broken, so that it is called as a fracture. The Karnataka Forest Department, the Indian Army and the NGO, Wildlife SOS came together. Here what it is, the Karnataka Forest Department and Indian Army. You know Indian Army, yes? And the NGO. NGO means non-governmental organization. The NGO works, it will works for no profit. It will not think about the profit. It works for free for the animals. It is an NGO. NGO, non-governmental organization. They all came together. They made a special metal structure to help him stand. What they prepared? They made a metal structure to stand. He was then moved to a special room so that the vets could treat him. He was improving, but he developed an internal infection. What happened here? They made a special metal structure to stand himself, and they moved them to a special room. They moved him to special room so that the vets could treat him. What it is vets means? Vets, doctor who treats animal. You will tell as veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor. Here it is called as vets. Doctors who treat animals. Doctors who treat animals is called as vets. He was improving, but he developed an internal infection. Internal infection. Internal means what, children? Unable to be seen from the outside. Unable to be seen from the outside. Internal organs. In science you will have internal organs. Yes? Means inside. Like that, here the elephant has internal infection. Means inside it has infected. So many animals lover visited him and prayed for him. But Siddha did not survive. So many members came to see Siddha and they prayed for Siddha also. But also he didn't survive. Means didn't survive means what? He was dead. He was dead because of the internal infection. Now Nina wiped her tears as she turned the page to read the second story. She read about Siddha and she was felt very sad and she was started to cry. So she wiped the eyes and tears and she went in to read the other second story. See what is the second story? See the article here in your textbook. A leopard rescued from a well. A leopard rescued from a well. You can see the second article. A leopard rescued from a well. In a small village in Maharashtra. Here where, children? In Maharashtra, a small village. A leopard fell into a deep well. Where it fell? It fell into a deep well. Well means you don't know from where the water. The olden days from the well only we will be taking water and drinking. Yes? A farmer heard the pain cries of the animal and contact the forest department. Here, while a farmer, when the animal fell into the well, a farmer heard the pain cries. Means what? The animal was doing some sound. Yes? And he informed to forest department. He informed to forest department. Animal rescue experts and villagers came together to help. They lowered a wooden platform into the well and pulled the leopard out. See here, after a farmer called to the forest department, animal rescue experts came and villagers also came together and they lowered a wooden platform into the well. Wooden platform means what? Wooden means you know. Yes? Wooden platform. They made like this wooden platform and they put into the well. They put into the well. And what happened? They pulled the leopard outside. How we will take the water from the bucket? We'll put the bucket into the well and we will be taking the water, no? Like that only here. They put down the wooden platform and they pulled out the leopard. At first, the leopard was very frightened, but then it jumped into the box. After the vets checked, it was released into the forest. What happened first? At first, when it came out, it was very frightened. By seeing all the people, it was very frightened. But it jumped into the box. After the checking, the vets check. Vets check means what? The veterinary doctors who treats the animals, the doctors who treats the animals. They checked and it was released into the forest. It was released into the forest. Nina moved on to the third article about organization that took care of animals.
Okay.
See, Nina moved on to the third article about organization that took care of animals. What is the article? See here, children. Animal protection. What is the article? Animal protection. You can see here. See the animal pictures are there. Animal protection. What it is? Animal protection. It was in the 1980s and 90s that the people began discussing cruelty to animals. Here what in the year 1980. In the year 1980s and 90s. I think you have not born at all that time. Yes, I also. That people began discussing cruelty to animals. They formed groups so that they could protect and shelter stray and injured animals. What they did, they discussed about the animals, how the other people are behaving with the animals, and what they did, they formed some groups. They formed groups and they started to protect and shelter the stray and injured animals. Today around 50 such groups and organizations are running across the country. Here, that time they formed groups, no, like that form, the groups are there. How many groups are there now? 50 such groups and organizations are there running across the country. They carry out various rescue operations and provide medical aid to animals. What they will do, children? The groups, the organizations will carry out various rescue operations. Rescue operation means to save the animals. See, rescue operation, organized saving for animals. Organized saving of animals means here what? They will save the animals and provide medical aid to animals. Medical aid. Medical aid means what? Help. Medical help to the animals. They even organize adoption programs for abandoned or injured animals and birds. They will organize, what they will do, they will adopt, and adaptation program also is there. They will adopt the animals. See, adoption is what? Taking responsibility for an animal. How here, so many people who are not having the child, what they will do? They will go to the organizations and they will be adopting the child. Yes, like that only here. Here organization will adopt the animals. Organization will adopt the animals. And abandoned. Abandoned is what? Left without care or protection. See, so many small children, they will be throwing into the dustbin. Yes, they will be throwing into the dustbin. What they will do, the organization will see and they will be taking into the handover. Same as it is here for the animals also. Not only for the human beings, for the animals also they are having the adaptation program. And they will abandon injured animals and birds. They will be saving the birds and animals. NGOs like People for Animals India based in New Delhi and Vishaka Society for Protection and Care of Animals in Visakhapatnam provide happy homes for animals. Here NGOs like People for Animals India based in New Delhi, which is a People for Animals India based, which is in New Delhi, and Vishaka Society for Protection and Care for Animals in Visakhapatnam. These two NGOs. Here, so many NGOs are there. We are giving the names of two NGOs which provide happy homes for animals. They provide happy homes for animals. Their goal is to create a safe space where animals can live and grow. What is the goal for them? Their goal is to save for the animals. They want to keep safe space and they can live and grow happily. How you will be having some goals? Yes, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer. Yes, like that. This NGO's goal is to save all the animals and let them be happy and they should live. They should be happy and they should live. Because so many, what they are doing, they are taking the animals and they are killing them. Yes, so many members, they are taking the pig and they are killing, and what they are doing, they are selling flesh. Yes, not like that. They wanted to save all the animals. They wanted to save all the animals. Organizations like Fenetios in Delhi and Blue Cross of India treat sick animals. Here see, these organizations in Delhi and the Blue Cross of India treat the sick animals. They have animal doctors on call. They also nurse the sick ones until they are healthy again. What they will do? They have animal doctors also. When they will call, the organization will call, means the doctors also will come. They also nurse the sick ones until they are healthy again. They also take care of the sick animals. Nurse means what? To take care of sick animals. Where we are going to the hospitals means we are also find the nurse, no? Who she will be giving the injections. Yes, same as it is only for the dog. For the animals also we are having the nurse. Rescue an animal rahat in Maharashtra. Pick up helpless animals from different places and find them welcome homes. Find them welcoming homes. Rescue an animal rahat, which is in Maharashtra. They pick up helpless animals from different places and find them welcoming homes. This organization often visits schools, social clubs and other workplaces. They make people aware that these animals are an important part of our environment. What they will do? They will be going, these organizations will be going to the schools and social clubs and some workplaces to tell about the importance of animals. They tell about the importance of animals and how much important they are in our life. And how much they are important in our life and how much it is important to our environment. Birds, animals, these are all part of our life. They are very important to our environment. How trees are important to our environment? Yes, we will try save the tree, save the tree. Same as it is, we should save the animals and birds. They teach people that it is our duty to protect animals. They teach people that it is our duty to protect animals. They try to create a better world where each animal has the right to healthy and happy life. What they will do? They teach the people to protect. Their duty is to protect animals, and they create a better world where each animal should have the right to healthy and happy life. Yes, children, this is your first lesson. Have you understood, children? Shall I ask some questions to you? What did Nina do one Sunday morning? What did she do? Yes, what did she do? She opened a magazine. She opened a magazine and started reading the articles. Where did Siddha fall? What happened to his leg? Siddha fall into a ditch and leg was fractured. Yes? Yes. See, once I will read the lesson once. Read after me and again you should continue. I will read some part of for you. Yes. One Sunday morning, Nina opened a weekly magazine to find articles on animals. Nina loved animals. She felt sad when she read or heard about an animal being mistreated. But today was different. The magazine was filled with beautiful stories about people who helped and protected animals. She quickly began reading the first article. You should read like this, children. You should read the lesson and you should write the classwork. Say aloud words. Listen and say aloud words classwork. And you should write in the classwork new words. You should write in the classwork new words. Yes? And in your homework, what is your homework? You should answer these questions. You should answer these questions. Read the lesson and answer these questions. Understood, children? Let us discuss question. You should answer. You should write the question and you should answer. That is your homework. Read the lesson and answer these questions. Classwork, listen and say aloud as words and new words in the classwork. And what is your homework? You should read the lesson and answer the let us discuss questions. Okay, children? Thank you.